Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use GrooveFunnels to build different pages and funnels online. In this lecture we are going to discuss about the use of pop-ups. It's a very powerful feature that GrooveFunnels has also in the free version. And basically how do you use the pop-ups? If you are going to look at the left side menu, you are going to see pop-ups, and what you can do here is press the create new pop-up button. Okay, you have two options, either to click on the plus button in the right top corner or press the main create new pop-up red or pinkish button if you want to call it that way. And let's just press on it. Create new button, pop-up name pop-up 1, type standard, page 2, it looks a bit empty. Okay, let's give it a name, testing 1 for the pop-up, type standard, entry or exit. We want it to be, let's say, a standard on which page this pop-up appears. We want it to appear on the home page. Okay, and from here we can just select the pop-up or how it will look like. Okay, you can see we have different types of pop-ups. This one, for example, right here in the right side where I'm moving the mouse cursor, basically you can use it for sales. This one for lead generation, this one again for lead generation. It's an opt-in pop-up, and let's select this one, okay, the simplest one. And this is the pop-up. Okay, pretty simple, pretty nice. This is how the pop-up will look like. And basically when we select the pop-up, it's like a block, and we can see the custom attributes pop-up. Okay, then we have the global style, text background. Okay, we have all the elements that the pop-up would have. Okay, all the normal elements. For screen, click the question mark. Okay, let's just leave this close. Okay, so again, block, pop-up. Let's just go and see actually how the whole pop-up looks like. Spacing, shading, active. Okay, we can change between the designs, as you already know, and that's pretty much it. Okay, we can control the design for the input, the configuration, and that's pretty much it. Okay, very simple to use the pop-up, very easy, standard pop-up triggered when the user clicks on an element on the page that you have linked with the pop-up. Now we want it on the entry, an entry pop-up. Basically, this pop-up will appear when a visitor ends up on the page, and he has to put in the email so he can see the rest of the page. So again, this is how the pop-up works. Here you can see that we have in the left side menu, depending on the type of the pop-up, we have other settings as well, like pop-up behavior, show on every visit, only show on the first visit, the delay in seconds. Maybe you don't want the pop-up to show up immediately for the visitor. Maybe you want to leave him like 3-5 seconds to just check out the page, and it's usually better to do it like that. But the important thing is that you have this feature of the pop-up, and it can be very useful for you. Okay, this is something that to keep in mind, that you can use for free, again with GrooveFunnels. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next video.